How to change TikTok account country or region. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change TikTok country or region. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First things first, you will first need to open up your TikTok. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now changing your TikTok's account country or region is really simple, but there is a small catch which we will see at the end of this video. So let's continue. So after you logged in into your TikTok account, tap on the three lines on the top right corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. And after you're on your settings and privacy, you will see the account option. Tap on account, and after you tap on account, you'll see account information. Tap on account information, and right there you'll find your country region. So tap on that as well. And right here, now you can select a different country. So simply select a different country. Let's say I'm gonna select this Sri Lanka. And after selecting it, you will see right here the catch is that you cannot update your region unless you're on that very region for 60 days. As it says right here, you recently used TikTok in Sri Lanka for at least 60 days. So my bad, it's 60 days. So to update the country region or account region, you'll actually need to meet the following requirements, and that is you'll need to be on that very region and have used TikTok for 60 days. So if that's the case for you, you can easily change your account country or your account region, else you cannot do that. And that's basically it. That is how you can change TikTok country or region. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.